dash metacarpal is the longest metacarpal? Guess your answer. So here you are seeing that the second metacarpal is longest. At the same time, let me remind you that if it's asked about metatarsals, then also the second metatarsal is the longest metatarsal. Here in this image, you are seeing the 5 metacarpals having 2 images of each. So in this, you can see that the second metacarpal is the longest metacarpal. The shortest, the widest, the bulkiest metacarpal is the first metacarpal. And about the third metacarpal, I taught you that it was having a styloid process. Can you see in the image? Here you can see that this is the styloid process. This is the styloid process of the third metacarpal, placed dorsolaterally on the base of the third metacarpal. This one is the longest, the second one is the longest, and the first one is the bulkiest. Is it clear now? So we can write here that second metacarpal is the longest metacarpal.